Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your ex Twitter account without a previously used email or phone number. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is from here to go to create a new web page, and then we're going to search for X Help, and it's going to show you X Help Center. I'm going to click on it. Now from here it's going to show you this page right here, so we're going to search for Recover. And one of the options is going to be to recover your X password, how to reset a lost or forgotten password, X password recovery. Once you click on that, it's going to select this one, how to reset last one. And now from here, it's going to show you this page right here. So you're going to scroll down until you see an option that says more password help right here. Once you click on it, it's going to say contact X support. Click on it right here. And now from here, going to show you this problem. And so we're going to click on please tell us more and forgot my password. Then it's going to ask you how to sign up for this account, and if you have not used an email or phone number, just simply say email for most of the time. And now from here, you're going to log in with your username. So you're simply going to write your username. And now from here, under your email address, this is going to be a separate email that you're going to just use for them to contact you so that they can help you directly. So from here, just enter whatever email that you have, or for example, a friend has, that they can simply directly contact you with. And now from here, you're going to describe the problem that you're having. So you're going to describe exactly why you don't have access to your email or your password and why you want to get access to this account. And they will probably ask you for verification methods such as an ID card or anything that proves that you own this account or any history of it. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.